Sing all my breath, making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always mess and lace. I saw the world and melt with you. You seen the difference, and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I saw the world and melt with you.
Hello, welcome to Rock Attack Monday. All the people who are watching on the session live, please don't forget to tap the stars on the party section. To all the people who are watching on YouTube, hello to all of you. Good evening. I am JLR, you know rin for short. Our first song for tonight is from Shackle, Gawing Langit ng Mundo. Palasyo nila ay matibay na upo. Di nila nalilinig at ipapalakatyan. Di tulad ng sa kanila na parang laging nahihigta. Ikaw ba? Nalilinig ko ba sila? Ikaw ba? Gawing langit ang mundo, makakaya natin to. Sa simula ikaw at ako, tapos sila hanggang maging lahat na tayo. Okay, gandang masdan sa bawat taong naghihirapan, meron kang matutulungan. Gawing langit ang mundo. Nasa pagpirap mo sa nangyayaring kaguluhan, sa kabisa ng kabangan ng bayan, na silang makirap na nagpulot magtantikan. Ang narilihan nila ng talang nahihintawuhan. Ikaw ba? Nagkakabay ko. Gawing langit ang mundo, makakaya natin to. Sa simula ikaw at ako, tapos sila hanggang maging lahat na tayo. Masdan sa bawat tao, pag-ibig mahirapan, meron kang matutulungan. Gawing langit ang mundo. Welcome to session. Welcome to Rock Attacks Monday. I am JLR or General Support Short. Hello to all the people who are watching on YouTube and to all the people watching on Session Live. Hello to Rubik's and to FS. Hello to all of you. Don't hesitate to request a song and please don't forget to tap the star on the party section. Our next one is from My Chemical Romance. I Don't Love You. When you go, don't ever think I'll make you try to stay. And maybe when you get back, I'll be up to find another way. But after all this time that we see, you're still a good for nothing, I don't know. So take your blows and get out, rather get out while you can. When you go, would you even tend to say I don't love you like I did yesterday? Sometimes I cried so hard on beating, so sick and tired of all the feelings beating. But baby, when they let you down, and now is where you rather stay. And after all the blood is still away, another dollar just something low. So pick your eyes and get up, better get up while you can. Whoa, when you go, would you even tend to say I don't love you like I did yesterday? Oh. When you go, would you have to say it? I won't love you like I love you yesterday. I don't love you like I love you yesterday. Hello, welcome to Rock Attack Monday. Welcome to all the people watching on the session live, to Rubik's, to FS, and to Paolo. Hello to all of you. Please don't forget to tap the stars and party section. Don't hesitate to request a song. Feel free to request a song. And to all the people who are watching on YouTube, hello to all of you. I am Joshua Reyes, DLR for short. I am a Filipino. Filipino po ako, Inglesero. Pero naubusan din ako ng English minsan. Next song is from River Maya. Maybe we can sing a song from side A. Set your point. Set your point. I will try to sing this song. Hello to Paolo and Rubik's. Are you still there? You can request anytime a song. Just type it on the message box. And please don't forget to tap the stars on the party section. This is from side A, Set You Free. I am a local from Philippines. What is love when you go, when it's gone and I'm lonely? Somehow it's enough, it's just this and song, but we just have to let each other go. Too many times when we share precious moment, never realize ever only stolen moment. So how it's enough, it's just once and so we just have to let each other go. Loving you is all that means to me. Being happy is all I hope to be. Loving you must mean I really have to set you free. Saving the love for you, it's going stronger every time. So much harder. So how it's enough, it's just once and so we just have to let each other go. Loving you is all that means to me. Being happy is all I hope you be. Loving you must mean I really have to set you free. Set you free. That was from Saidi. Set you free. Hello to all the people who were watching on Session Live, Paulo, and to Rubik's. Are you still there? And to FS. Please don't hesitate to request a song. Just type it on the message. And please don't forget to tap the star of the party section. And to all the people who are watching on YouTube, hello to all of you. This is a Rock Attack Monday. Our next song, maybe we can sing Narda. Narda from Kamikaze. Kamikaze. Kamikaze? Ano? Maybe we can LC na lang. LC. LC from River Maya. Mamaya na yung Narda. This from River Maya. LC. Agad na makita ang luwa tuwing nag-aating gabi. Ang imposible problema patawa at di madapuan ng ngiti. Kumapit ka kaya sa akin nang ikaw ay maitangay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na, tayo na. Ika'y magtiwala sapagkat ngayong gabi ako ang mahiwagang LSE. Pag komplikado ang problema, parang lenong made in Japan, at panaling sandwich na nasa lunchbox mo't nawawala, nabubulok na sa isipan. Kumapit ka kaya sa akin nang ikaw ay maitangay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na, tayo na. Ika'y magtiwala sapagkat ngayong gabi ako ang mahiwagang LSE. LSE. Minsan ako nakakilala at diyan kang lumapit sa akin. Ibinulong mo, kaibigan, ako ang iyong liwanag sa hangin. Kumapit ka kaya sa akin nang ikaw ay maitangay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na, tayo na. Ika'y magtiwala sapagkat ngayong gabi ako ang mahiwagang LSE. 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 Hello to all the... Nabubulol na ako. Hello to Foul and Rubik's. To all the people who are watching on Session Live, hello to all of you. And to all the people who are watching on YouTube, hello to all of you. Please don't hesitate to request a song. On the YouTube, you can post a comment on the chat. On the chat. Left side, and on the Session Live, just post it on the message box, or there's a song there if you want to request with love. It's okay. You can share your love. Or if you don't have a love, just type it on the message box. If I know the song, I will sing it. And if I don't know the song you request, I will try it. What will the next song we will sing? I was almost... Kaya ko ngayon, out of the blue. Kaya ko yan, Michael Restaurant. You took me right out of... Tama ba? Out of the black. I was almost about to... Michael Bible. Ibang chords. Try ko muna. Kasi I was Pwede. This is from Michael Lanstra. Out of the blue. Please bear with me if I cannot sing this song in the right tune. This is my first time to sing this song on live. I was about to lose my faith. Was still dreaming. Wala ako. Step. Take two. Early sa kapo. I was about to lose my faith. Was still dreaming. When it was too late. Then you came along to my surprise and stole my heart before my very eyes. You took me right out of the blue. I don't know this song. Sorry. Sorry, pwede ba? Hello. Say a prayer, little one. Just guitar on. I cannot sing this. I just play on guitar. This is from Metallica. And there's from Metallica. I don't know how to sing that song. I just play it on my own guitar. Hello to all of you who are watching on YouTube and to watching on session live. This if you have don't hesitate to request a song, please. This is from Metallica ulit. Nothing else matter. Ito kaya ko siyang patay. Pero yung ano din ba talaga ako. Yung Exit Light and Dark Night. So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never opened myself this way. Now bizarre, we live it our way. All this what I just don't say, and nothing else matters. Cause I see and I found every day was something new. Open my mind for what you and me, and nothing else matters. Every time for what they do, every time for what they know. So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be just from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Every girl what they do, every girl what they know. Well, I know never.
this way. I resolve to live it our way. All this world I do just say, and nothing else matters. Was I see that I found me? Every day was something new. Open my mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. Every girl who wants this end, every girl the games they play, every girl who wants they do, every girl who wants they know. All I know. So close, no matter how. Hello to all the people watching on Session Live, and to the people watching on YouTube. Please don't hesitate to request a song or tap the stars on the party section. That was from Metallica. Nothing else matter. That is the only song that I know from Metallica to sing. All apologies. What else could I say? Everyone's gay. What else could I write? I'm never right. What else should I be? All apologies. In the sun, I feel the swarm. In the sun, Baron, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just forgot the second verse. All apologies. I look for lyrics. All apologies. Hello to all of you. Hello, hello, hello. Take to all apologies. This is the original version. The stick. This from the key of D, not key of C. For the second time around.
could I write? I remember right. What else could I be? All apologies. In the sun, I feel the swarm. In the sun, very, yeah. I wish I was like you, easily amused. My mind has a song, everything's my fault. I take all the blame. I'm a secret change. Somewhere with this event, choking on the ashes of her enemy. In the sun, I feel the strong. In the sun, yeah. All alone is all you. All alone is all you. All alone is all you. That was from the late Kurt Cobain. All apologies. Ba't ko napindot yung, palakpak? Inumit ko lang yung kasi inubo ako. Not will last sing. Maybe we can another from Nirvana. There. That. In Blue, Never Mind album. I needed an easy friend and to wake up. You ask me all the time, but I can't see you every night. This is from Bana, yung unplug nila. About the girl. I needed an easy friend. I do it up in the land. I do think you love you. I do want to have a clue. The second bandage from you hanging out to dry, but I can see you every night. Free. Parang pangit. I'm standing in your lane. I do hope you have a son. I do pick up number two. I do keep on taking you. pala yun. Habang walang nagchat-chat, laro mo na, laro. About the girl. The girl, Standing alone to see the show tonight and there's a light on heavy glow. Maganda. Ate ba? Ay, nandun na ako. Dahil maaga pang pumapasok. Where I can see you every night. Even if you have Nirvana. Breathe. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. I don't care. Come as you are. Kailan yung ano, Nirvana. Kasi kinakanta pa. Ano na gustong kantahin kagabi, kahapon. Kaya, ano ba? Ay, kung nga yung ano yan. This is from Nirvana. Ano? From Red Hot Chili Peppers. This is the Zephyr song. Is on display for you. Coming out today. You be too far to tell her. Get it up with no umbrella. Brew it up with all the stellar. What a way to find a smeller. Picking up is not too strong for you. The music passing on. Fly away on my shepherd. A feeling more than ever. And in this perfect weather, we find a place together. Fly. We will later when I make the final scatter. In the bed is moving from the outer paper. The movies on display for you. Coming out that today. Fly away on my shepherd. I'm feeling more than ever. And in this perfect weather, we find a place together. In the water was under my emotion. All the world can pass me by. Fly away on my shepherd. We find a place together. Fly away on my shepherd, I'm feeling more than ever. And in this perfect weather, we find a place to live. You wonder what's under my emotion. All the world can pass me by. Fly away on my shepherd, we're gonna live forever. That was from sino nga bang kanta? Red Hot Chili Pepper. The Zephyr song. Aha, ehe, oo. And no other rest under my emotion. All the world can pass me by. Maybe this is my last one for the night. Dahil ayaw niyo mag-chat eh. Or wala na kayo dyan. Or nandiyan pa kayo. Kasi... wait. La 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 la. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Babasa ko na lang. May ano pala. Excuse, may festival pala ngayon. Fall Effect. Kaya pala wala nanonood sa akin. Maalis mga nanonood. Ba't wala ako dito sa ano? Doon sa mga naka-online. Hindi ko pa nakita sarili ko dito eh. O ba't wala ako? Kaya pala walang nanonood sa akin kasi wala ako sa ano. Sa Rising Star. Kaya pala walang pumupunta sa akin. Dahil wala ako dito. Hindi ako lagi session. Di pala ako lab ng session kasi wala ako sa Rising. Mga naka-live na tayo. Naka-live. Tapos ako wala. Yun. Pero walang nakalagay. 856. Ang taas naman lang ko. Yun. Ang taas. Abot hanggang langit. Rango. Abot hanggang langit yung rango. Taas. Sobrang taas. For connection. Kanina malamig. Ngayon, nagpapawisan. Ano ba talaga? La 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 la. Ano ba talaga? Ba't pinagpapawisan? Maglulaso ko kaya. No. Ay, break lang po. Break muna tayo.
Moving forward, using all my breath, making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always mess and lace. I saw the world and melt with you. You seen the difference, and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I saw the world and melt with you. Dream of better lives, that kind it's never hate. Driving the state of imaginary grace. I'm made a pilgrimage to save this human race, never comprehending the race had long gone by. I stop the world and melt with you. You seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I stop the world and melt with you. The future open wide. The future open wide. I stop the world and melt with you. You've seen some changes and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I stop the world and melt with you. The future open wide.
I'm back again. Hello? Hello? Oh, wala pala yung headset. Wait. Tinis ko yung ano. Hello sa mga nasa session. Wait lang, kunin ko yung headset. Uy naman, nasira. Nasira. Nahulog. I will end the show. Hello, test mic. Take a break muna tayo ulit.
when things have got no meaning, have found a key on the floor. Maybe you and I will not be leaving the things we find behind the zone. So what's the matter with you?
Hello, just like hello sa inyong lahat. Nag-break lang ako. Hindi mo maganda patay. Wala na yata nanonood sa akin. May nanonood pa ba? Wala na. Maglaro na lang. When I look into your eyes, I can see the love restrained. But only when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same. Nothing lasts forever, and we both know heart can change. And it's ours to hold the candle in the cold November rain. We've been through this a long, long time, just trying to kill the pain. Love is always coming, love is always going. No one really sure who's letting go today. Walking away. If you take the time to lay it on the line, I could rest my head just knowing that you are mine. Oh, mine. So if you want to love me, then darling, don't be afraid. I'm just walking in a cold November rain. So you need some time on the road. So you need some time all alone. Everybody needs some time on the road. Don't you know you need some time all alone? I know it's hard to be, but open up. The different friends them out to warn you. But if you're a broken heart, would that time be out the time you are? Sometimes I need some time on my own. Sometimes I need some time all alone. Ooh, everybody needs some time on their own. Ooh, don't you know you need some time all alone? When you feel some sun and shadows still remain, yeah, know that you can love me when there's no one left to blame. So never mind the darkness, you still can find a way. Nothing lasts forever if it don't come out the way. Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody. Mahirap kantahin doon. You're not the only one. Hello to all people watching on excuse me. Minamalat na ako. Ano ba bang maganda kantahin sa Guns kaya? Guns. I try and feel the shine. You bring the rain. 14 years ng Guns. Habang walang nag-chat. Maglaro muna tayo. I try and feel the sunshine, you bring the rain. You try and hold me down, with your complaint. You cry and moan and complain. You're vanity. Up to my neck is arrow that sets you free. You just don't step inside you for 10 years. So hard to keep my open. That's what I say, you know. I've been the bigger. I played the tip. I was the dog they tried to beat. But it's been 40 years of silence. It's been 40 years of pain. It's been 40 years that I got forever. Never held again. Your stupid girlfriend tell you that I'm to blame. Well, they all used to be out of the game. This time I held the last one. You hear me say, I tried to see it your way. It won't today. You just don't step inside you for 10 years. So hard to keep my own neck. That's what I say, you know. I've been the dealer, hanging on the street. I was the dog they tried to be. But it's been 40 years of silence. It's been 40 years of pain. It's been 40 years that I got forever. Never ever again. "14 Years" by GNR, by Guns N' Roses. Baka may nanonood pa sa inyo or wala na. Ain't it fun when you're stuck on the ground? Get this feeling, really get feeling. Ano bang maganda? Kaya ko patay. Kaya ko yan sa Civil War. Try ko lang ah. Look at your young man fighting. Look at you man crying. Look at your young man dying the way they always done before. Look at the air street breathing. Look at the beauty feeding. Look at the lives of living the way they always done before. A billion sheep inside the sun. And all these things that shine as bloody, I can't deny the was away. weapon, and the first memory they shared together. I went down on the land to see, so I never felt lonely, and now we got the world to see, so we find us all. Must be the plan that is not in your hand, and everybody fighting for the promised land. I don't need no civil war. It beats the rich, but it burns the poor. Standing shoulder with the human brothers and the friends. I don't need no civil war. Look at the shoes you're feeling. Look at the lover's feeling. Look at the water feeling. We will always love before. Look at the downs we wallow. Look at the leaders we follow. Look at the ways we follow. And I won't want to hear no more. Ang taas. Ang taas ng Civil War. Hello to Fall. Fall Chris, hello to you. Pasensya na, nilalaro ko yung kanta. Baka may gusto kong kanta, Fall. Fall Chris. Andiyan ka ba ba? Or wala ka na? Dumaan ka lang. Okay. Ano bang maganda ng guns? Akin na, Heaven's Door. Don't cry. This is Don't Cry. Softly, softly, there's something in your life. Sun on the red and sorrow, and this don't cry. And I know how you feel inside. I've been there before. Something is changing inside you. And don't you know? So you rise as you look away. So you rise so you cry tonight as heaven above you, baby. And don't you cry tonight. Give me your wisdom, give me your sign. Give me your ears before summer goodbye. Don't you think so hard now, I'm just thinking so bad. I'll be singing along at the time we had, baby. Don't you cry tonight. Don't you cry tonight. don't you cry tonight, there's a heaven above you, baby. And don't you cry tonight. And please remember that I never lie. Please remember I will really try now, honey. You gotta make it your own way, but you'll be alright now, sugar. You'll feel better tomorrow. Come the morning light now, baby. And don't you cry tonight. Don't you cry tonight. Don't you cry tonight. There's a for you, baby. And don't you cry. Don't you ever cry. Puro Guns na lang. Puro Guns and Roses na lang. Wala naman nagre-request eh. Hindi maglaro ako.